Friends, good morning to my viewers. Today I am going to share my morning walk trip. 5:30 a.m. Right now I am standing in front of Chandra Mahal, which is maintained by our Princess Pragya Devarma. She is using this mahal as a seminar hall and workshop and wedding celebration. This chomini is called Colonel Chomini. I'm just standing in front of the statue of Colonel Mahim Thakur Devarma. The chomini is named after his name. This Lim Sagar Pond is nearby our Ujjain Palace. Now I'm going towards Uttar Gate, means North Gate. These people are regular. Now I'm standing in front of Uttar Gate. It is called North Gate also. I'm standing between Astable Ground and North Gate. My right side is Astable Mark, means stable ground. It was stable when our king was alive. They used to put their horses in this place. That is why it is called stable ground. At present, it is named after Swami Vivekananda by the Tripura government. The statue of Swami Vivekananda. In front of the Maliko Court, I am standing. It is used as a conference hall and also seminar hall. And it is maintained by our Pubagra. This is Old Council Bhavan of TTAADC. It is also situated at the premises of Ujjainta Palace. This is the part of Ujjainta Palace is used by the government as a Directorate of Tripura Tourism. And this side you can see the old damaged place where our kings is to enjoy or rest during the summer season when they feel hot, because just in front of this is two ponds, big ponds in front of palace. In front of town hall, it is also situated at the premises of Ujjainta Palace, and in front there are two big ponds. This is east side, that is west side. Uma Maheshwari Temple. It is also situated at the premises of Ujjainta Palace, east side of the Ujjainta Palace. I'm standing in the spot where people are taking bath in the ponds in front of our palace, Ujjainta Palace. So this place is very nice and very good to take bath. My right side, there is Lakshminarayan Temple. Now I'm standing in front of Lakshminarayan Mandir or Lakshminarayan Temple, and nearby there is also a small temple. Front side of Lakshminarayan Temple. This is Shiva Mandir. South gate of Ujjainta Palace of our Tripuri kings, and my right side, that is Khudiram Basu statue. In my left side, that is the statue of Master Surya Sen. And in front of me, you can see the gate. That is Maharani Krishnamurti Primary School, named after our Maharani Krishnamurti. You can see inside the gate, that is our main palace. This gate is used as an entrance by our kings. Now is used by the government of Tripura. Now my husband is running. Durgabari temple. This is the Durgabari, and in front of me that is the gate of children park. That is children park, which is used by the government as a place like book fair and all. This is Rabindra Bhavan, used for the program, seminar or any program. It is named after Rabindranath Tagore, writer from West Bengal. And this is my left side. This is Sukanto Academy. In this building, school children come to visit for their experiences. There are many equipments of science. Of Jagannath Dhari temple. That is west side of our Ujjainta palace. In front of me, that is the ponds built by our Hindu. So my left side, you can see that is the palace, Ujjainta palace. This side of the palace is occupied by government, and right side of the palace still it is used by our king or Bhubagan. Holy Cross school bus in front of our lane. They are going. Completed my morning walk trip. Just now I have arrived my house. So thank you viewers for watching my channel.